All right, guys. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to deploy your app um, using shinyapps.io. Okay, so let's use the last app that we created, app 1.6. So the first thing we need to do is to change its name. It doesn't take app, the file name, anything other than app. It should be app.r. So let's click on File tab, Save As, and then delete this, just app, right? And then hit enter. Now you see app.r, right? So again, the file name is important, okay? And let's run its app, right? So our app shows up here, and then click publish. Now, when you click publish the first time, it'll ask you the token from your account at shinyapps.io. Okay, so you need to go to your shinyapps.io account, right? And then click your username upper right corner, click, and then there select tokens, right? And then click show, and then you need to copy the tokens. Okay, so there's a button. There will be a button named as copy to the clipboard. All right, so copy that, come back to RStudio and paste your token, and that's how you connect your RStudio to your account at shinyapps.io. Okay, so once you do that, you'll see this window here. So here in this box, publish from an account. So Daniel S. Lee is my username at my shinyapps.io account. So that becomes the URL of your app. Okay, so naming your username is important, right? Because it becomes part of your URL. Um, so your username and shinyapps.io, and then whatever the title is. So that this title is actually what the folder name is here. It's CodeAlong1. We have this app.r file in that folder, CodeAlong1, right? So again, if you click publish, so this will be the last part of the URL. And then on the left side, it loaded all the files in CodeAlong1 folder. In this case, you can uncheck all because all these other files other than app.r is not part of this app, right? So later on, when you make a more complicated app, the app requires data, scripts, and other stuff that are needed to run the app. You need to check all of them and include in your app when you publish, right? But what we're doing now do not require all these other files. All right. So let's click publish. Um, and then there's a deploy tab. It shows up, and it tells you that it's working to deploy your app. And it usually takes a while. All right. There you go. All right. So, so we have our app published. Um, So again, so submit the URL on Canvas, and once your assignment is graded, you need to archive this, right? So if you archive this, hit OK, right? And then it shows archived as a status. And also if you click dashboard, it shows up here, archived, right? So you shouldn't see any other apps here. I have 3 more showing sleeping. You shouldn't have any active um, apps more than 5, right? Because of the limitations of the free plan that we're using. Great. Great job, guys. I'll see you in the next video.